Hello, friends. Let's check the city's condition. Here is okay. Oh, what is that? What a big pit. How can I get to the other side? Oh, nice tires. Yahoo! Please be careful. That wheels are bigger than mine. I need to call somebody to fix the problem.
I know the shortest way. Oh my god! What's happened there? Oh, that's good idea. Thank you. Well, wonder how that pit appeared.
Oh, what is that? Oh, what can I do? Oh. Okay, wait. Someone needs to fix it.
Hello, guys. Could you help me in filling that pit on the road?
We know how to do that. No worries, Sergeant Lucas.
Go, stop.
Now it's my turn. Alright, that's it.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate your help. You solved that problem.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
No. I'm sorry. What happened? What happened? You need help? I need your help. I'm scared. Don't be afraid. I'll help you. I like it. I'm scared. We've got to get over there right away. Yes. 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 Big puddle. Big puddle. What a strong man you are! I'm scared! Yes. 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 I'm very tired. I'm scared. I'm very tired. What a strong man you are. I like it. Okay, I'm coming. I like it. Cool. I'm scared. No, don't! Stop it! Stop it! No! 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 Help me! Help me! Okay, I'm coming. I'm scared. Watch out! Lucas, I need your help. Help me! Help me! We have to go there right away! Crane. Don't be afraid. I'll help you. Hello, friend.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. I like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.